Okay, and so for the main part of our lesson today, what we're going to be focusing on is we're going to be focusing on learning counting, so counting forwards and backwards. So it's a bit of a revision, a bit of practice. Counting forwards and backwards, and we want to count backwards and forwards from different starting points. We're also going to practice writing the numbers. So to do that, today what we're going to do is we're going to create our number line. Now I've got my number line here to help me. Down the bottom, there's a number line to help me. But also, what you could do is you could also use your hundreds chart and practice that if you want to make it a little bit harder for yourself. And what you need to do to make your number line, what we're going to do is we're just going to cut up some strips of paper and we're just going to practice and we're going to write the numbers. You can go up to 100. I might go up to 30 just for today to model this. And we're going to the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a number line. If you want to use the number line to help this one, to help you can do that. But yeah, we're going to make our own number line, number strip, and go as high as we can. But we're going to do it a little bit differently. Today, we're going to go, we might do it that way. So we're going to make a nice long number strip. So I'm going to start at the top. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Not sure how to do a 5, so I'm just going to check. Yep, so I do a 5, cross, down and back. So just using the number line or your hundreds chart to help you check and keep going. And then I'll keep going. 9, 10, 11, use the number line if you need. 12, 13, 14, 15. So then I'll stop there. Yep. Then once I've filled up one line, then I just need to paste or sticky tape another line. And as you can see, our line will get bigger and bigger. And we're going to use that to practice counting them. All right, so what I want you to do, first part is to do that. I'll pause this while I do it, or stop it while I do this, and then we'll go. Okay, so once you've finished making your number line like I have, well, then you can just practice counting from different numbers and pointing to the numbers as you count and practice counting forwards and backwards. For example, let's say I wanted to start at 8 and I'm going to count forwards. I'm going to go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And by pointing to it and counting as you point, it really helps you recognize the numbers and also just helps you remember what they are. So really focus on pointing at those numbers because it helps build that relationship and learn the numerals. And also you can practice counting backwards. So you might want to start at 20 and go 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, and so on. But make sure you're pointing to the number as you're counting, and we're just choosing different numbers and practicing counting as we go up and then counting backwards because we want to be able to count forwards and backwards from any number. That's our main goal. If you've done that, if you're really comfortable with your ones, I also made another one because I wanted to practice my 2s because I thought I'd practice skip counting, and 2s, 5s and 10s are all pretty good ones to practice. And I know that some of my preps, my class are pretty up to sort of learning to count by their 2s, 5s and 10s. So it's up to you a little bit what you want to count by. But so we can make a strip counting. We could do both if you like. I've done 2, so you could do one by 1s and practice with that. You could also make some number strips with 2s or 5s and 10s. And same thing, just practicing. So going 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and pointing to it as you count it. And then starting at other numbers and going backwards. So 40, 38, 36, 34, 32, 30. Because we really want to be really fluent with counting forwards and backwards from numbers from 0 to 100. And also, then once we're fluent at that, we want to be able to move on and start counting by 2s and 5s and 10s. So skip counting, but forwards and backwards. Okay, so that's our focus for today. You might like to do a massive one and go all the way up to 100, or you might like to just do what I've done and choose 30. It's up to you, but and you can also do skip counting on your 1s one as well, just by maybe doing whisper counting where you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, and just jumping as you go 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. So see how you go. But that's our task today. So you're going to make a number line and then practice counting of number line on your number strip, and then you're just going to practice counting forwards and backwards from different numbers. And then if you'd like to extend yourself, maybe you can do some skip counting and go by 2s, 5s or 10s. Yeah, let me know how you go. Post your number lines on your Edmodo page, and make sure to take lots of care when you're writing your numbers too, and make sure you're writing them correctly, and use your hundreds chart and your number line, which is at the bottom of this one, to help you make sure you're writing your numbers the right way and getting the ones in the teen numbers in the right place. But yeah, let me know. Post your pictures. Look forward to seeing them. Bye.